I finished that. The tray is going in. It's going to be dinner, and it might be left over for some tomorrow as well, for someone to take to work, or the babies to take to school or something like that. So I've got this in here, 180 degrees. It is going in, and it's like half an hour. And in half an hour I'll bring it out for you to see, and you will have a lovely meal of chicken wings. Simple, as you see. I just got the chicken wings. Sometimes you have to separate the wing from the leg. You can cut it, or else you just break it apart and just slit around the skin, and just add your sauces. And I had this wonderful range of sauces, and it worked beautifully. So this is the simplest recipe you can do for your kids, and have fun doing it. Your kids will love doing it themselves. Just have them pour the sauces in and then mix it all up. Make sure their hands are washed, and you have a wonderful meal with everyone helping. See you a little later. Bye.